How to contact Facebook Live support. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Better Business Help Center or support. Then click the very first link that you can see here. So once you tap this, you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. Now here, what you're going to do is you have to make sure that you're logged in to your correct Facebook account. Now scroll down and then tap this Find Answers or Contact Support, Get Started, and it will take you again to another page. Now here you have to wait for a couple of seconds again. And then at this time you have to go to the left side and you will see the settings. Tap this one, settings for gear icon. And then what you're going to do here is it will take you to the ads manager. So here, what you're going to do next is you have to simply make sure that you're logged into your account again. And then here you will see this report a problem. So you have to click this one. And then here you have to select the type or the reason why you want to submit a report. And then after that, you have to go to this, select topic details, and then you can include here your message. Now in the message, you can add your email address or even your messenger so that they can contact you right away, add a screenshot or an image. But to really contact a direct customer agent, then you can see that option here. But maybe after you submit a report, then they can contact you right away. And that way you can contact a live support agent on this Meta account or in your Facebook account. So even if you go to the help center and then look for live chat support, then you can see one. So what you're going to do here is you have to report a problem first. You have to message them first, provide your social media account like your messenger or your email address, and then after that or through that, then they can message you right away. You can talk to one of their agents via chat support, and then in that way it can also solve your problem. So you cannot really see that a live chat support here, but somehow you can reach to them by submitting a report first, submitting a message first, and then they will get back to you after you submit that report. So I hope this video helped you. You just have to wait till one of their customer service agents will contact you right away. So this is how you contact Facebook Live support for the means. See you again in our next video tutorials.